In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make money on TikTok by playing games. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some options that you have to make money while playing games and either uploading them to TikTok or using the money within TikTok itself. So, in TikTok, you will be able to post your clips, your profile, and depending on how many views they have, how many views your profile has, how many interactions they get, you will be able to have a side income. So you can check all of this through the TikTok Studio page. You can find it within the mobile app or through the website as I'm demonstrating here. In the overview, you will have every single main factor listed here so you can easily compare, or you can go over to content. Once you are monetized, you will be able to get that money and transfer it into a bank account. So the most direct way is to stream your gameplay on TikTok Live. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, like I said, you can transfer the money elsewhere. So if you just want to play games and stream it over to TikTok, this is going to be the most direct way. You do have other services that allow you to play games and complete tasks inside of those games, and by completing these tasks, you earn money. However, you won't be able to transfer this sort of money into TikTok. You will have to transfer this into a PayPal account, for example, and of course use it elsewhere, but you can't get it within TikTok. So if you want to complete these tasks and earn money, then you can visit websites like freecash.com. But if what you want to do and what you are referring to is playing games, streaming them, and then making money off of that content, then you can do it directly inside of TikTok. It will take a while, but after you make engaging videos, engaging live streams, you will be able to start making money using TikTok as your main content platform. I hope I was able to help you on how to make money on TikTok by playing games. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.